Hi guys, welcome to Programming with Zen. If you wanna make this kind of beautiful animation which follow your mouse cursor wherever it go into your website, then this video is for you. Because in this video I am going to make this animation using simple JavaScript, and without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need three files. First is the HTML file where you make your structure of the website. Second is the style CSS file where you add all your CSS, and third and last is the script file where we are gonna make the function which make this animation. In the HTML file, first I add the head tag, and in head tag I add the link tag which is used to attach the CSS file in it. You can add your CSS file by using link tag, and then you can add the JavaScript file in the script tag. I add the path of my script file in it, and for your confirmation I add this like this. Here it show me the path of my script file, and I enter this. My now script file is added in it. First of all, you add to one circle class in which you add the width, height and the border color of your circle, and most importantly you add the position absolute, because the circle who you are seeing in this website has in position absolute. And for border radius I add 15 pixel. You can add the change the pixel amount according to your own design. So here is the most important file, which is the JavaScript file. I already made this function for you for your easiness. Now I'm going to explain this function to you. First I'm gonna make the document.onMouse animated circle. This is used for the onMouse event. OnMouse event is used when we moving the mouse on our screen or in the screen tab. This function trigger. So onMouse event is used, and the animated circle, which is the function name, I add the function is here. And the second thing which is used is the const. I made an array of colors in which I already defined the colors which I'm using in my circles. Like here are the three different colors which I'm using through this array. Now I made the function which is the animated circle event function. It take a event, and then I create a div using let circle document.create element function. In this function I add the div and then set the attribute in it. First is class, and giving the name class is this circle, and then document.body.append child. Append child mean it are going to append this div into the body of the HTML document. Then I add the set initial positions of the circles, like the coordinates. The variable I use circle. In the circle I use the style tag for the left, and the event I'm getting in the function in the client x. Client x is the this is the client x variable line, and this is the client y, which is the vertical line. I made this in the pixels for the left and top, and then I add the random colors. Random color I'm taking from this array where I add three different colors, and in this color I'm making the mat.floor formula. And first of all, mat.random. What is the mat.random? Mat.random is the formula which pick these random colors from this array, and then mat.floor round of these variables. And the circle.style.border color is equal to color. I made the border colors is equal to color, which means the borders you are seeing in these colors are set to the random colors which generated by the functions. And then I applied the transition for smooth animations on circle variable, which is the style.transitions. In this transition I first of all I applied 0.5 second linear and 0 second. And for adjusting the position of the center circle to the around the mouse, I use the same style for the circle style left, and using the offset property of the JavaScript. And for the last, which is the circle div properties of the circle, I give it the width 50%, 50 pixels, height 50 pixel, and the border width 5 pixels, and opacity 0, which means if when I move this, it's going to hide after few milliseconds. And at the last I add a function set timeout, which remove the circles which were created on moving the mouse cursor. So this is the simple function. I hope you like this function, and this animation will help you to make your page more beautiful. Kindly click the like button and click on the subscribe button. Thank you.